Today's video, we're going to give you a rundown on our plans, what we've got coming up in our videos, different projects that are on the run at the moment, and new projects that we're about to start. So sit down, relax, grab a cuppa, and enjoy. I'm starting this video down here at the creek just to share with you our back door. It's lovely. Also to let you know, we haven't done as many videos as we'd liked. Let's just say this grass has been merciless. It just won't stop growing. The Amazonian grass. It's back! It's back with a vengeance. Our efforts have been focused on keeping it down, mowing especially around the shack and the, I'm not supposed to tell you, the orchard. I'll show you that shortly. We appreciate that you're here with us. We're so thankful to be able to share with you our adventure in the Aussie bush. We're not a professional production team, so forgive us on our higgledy-piggledy work. We're not financed by BlackRock. Our pockets are pretty empty, but we're happy. We're progressing on this almost a lifelong dream for both of us. It's been worth it, I can tell you. We're into it, what, 6 months now, and we're pretty thrilled with the progress. So come along and I'll show you what we've got on the cards for this year. So here it is, boys and girls. Don't tell Mrs. Wild, but I'm going to show you the orchard. Mrs. Wild's been working on it for many months now. We've been compiling video of the different stages and the progress, but I must say I love it. I think it's going to be awesome. There's so many fruit trees and nut trees. It's a great mix. I'll see if I can secretly take a snapshot and show you on the screen just a rough layout. There's well over 30 trees. If you add the shrubs and bushes and other sorts of plants she's planted in the rows between them, we're cracking 45 plus. And that's, we started 4 months ago. So it's been pretty awesome progress. Let's have a look. There it is. Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that. The orchard. She's not around. Let's go for a run through the orchard. Yeah! Look at it all. So I'm in the middle of it now. As you can see, there's fruits and nut trees. Don't ask me all the names. I'm not very good at this botanic stuff. She can't wait to share it with you. But we have macadamia nut, guava, apples, plums, nectarines, I believe. We even have banana, citrus. It's coming along really well. So stay tuned. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share, please share, as we unveil this to you in future videos. It's going to be grouse. We've got a few projects going on here. For starters, that chook pen, we've decided it's coming down. Just to higgledy-piggledy, the effort and gear that'll be needed to fix that up, we decided ain't worth it. So coming down, we might be able to use material for other stuff. The aviaries, still don't know what we're going to do with them, but hey, we'll pick them up, move them out of the road, because pretty much where I'm standing, we're going to build a store shed, shipping container style, but building it is much cheaper. It'll be a 6 metre by 3 metre, have the same style doors like a shipping container, nice secure storage facility, off the ground a little bit, keep everything out of the wet, dry, protected from bugs, etc. Here's the steel for that shipping container type store I'm going to be building. Nice heavy duty 3mm 75 by 75 galvanized steel. I can't wait to pretend like I can weld. We'll soon see. Stand by for that video. We'll also have running through here all the way around the orchard a sheep fence, because yes, there are sheep up the road and they wander during the dry. We found that out the hard way. I'll give you a chronological order. We get some trees in. Grasshoppers had a feast. so we put netting over it. The cows came and had a feast, so we fixed up the fence around the boundary to keep the cows out. The sheep came. They don't care about boundary fences. They went through it. They had a feast. Then we had to go putting chook wire around all of them. Sheep have gone home. The cattle have gone home. It's all good now, so I've got some time to get this fence up. That's another project. It'll be involving driving star pickets, which is another video I'll share with you. I got a star picket or post driver. Be interesting to see how that thing goes. There will be another video on a post hole digger, which I'll need to do the storage. Now this one's a different one because this one's a 4-stroke. We'll see how that thing goes. Can't wait to share it with you. There'll be a video just on that. Now remember, with my videos, when I'm testing a product, all my reviews on products, items, they're my reviews with my thoughts. They're genuine. You get to see my thoughts and experiences with the product. I found a lot of people who make that promise don't actually come through or seem to skip over stuff that's quite important. I'll do my best to cover it all, and as always, ask a question on any of the products I reviewed, especially as time goes by. You might be watching a video on a product I reviewed like the log splitter. It might be a 2-year-old video. You got questions? Ask them, because you might find a thing is still going strong or it's thumbs down. Up there is our, what we call Elon's Skynet.
Skynet.
That's our Starlink antenna. We got modern tech in this place now, and I'll give you a run through this Starlink. I can tell you, all the reviews I've watched, they've skipped some critical information, and they all seem to jump on the bandwagon and say the same numbers, when in actual fact, there's a lot of quirks to this thing. Once you get a handle on it, it's brilliant. But I'll do a preview, review on it, I should say, and I'll explain our experiences, what we found works and doesn't work, and what to be aware of when you go to buy one of these. We've only had it for now maybe a month now. If I had to buy one again, I probably would. Stand by for that review on it, and you'll soon see what our thoughts are on it. As you can see, our poly pipe for the water tank has been buried. Yes, it's pretty good. And something we've been referring to quite a few times. Here it is, the planting stage on our shelter. We just had the soil testing done, waiting on the results of that, and we're still tossing between 2 options. This is going to be interesting. It's going to be practical little living space. So this is where we plan to build our shelter. Keep all the bugs and insects at bay, somewhere to escape the heat in the summer, stay warm in the winter. Can't wait to share this with you. Those hairs that I've got, the few remaining ones, they're going to get grayer. This is going to test me. The campground's looking pretty nice. I haven't finished mowing this yet, but it's coming along quite nicely. Grass is really settling. I'll do a video on this one. It's our fire truck. That'll be a good little video. I've got a pump for that, some hoses, etc. I'll show you the setup. And this, I'm standing inside, is the once was stables. I'm hoping to convert to a camp kitchen. Still haven't dragged these over the top to make a roof, but we're getting there. Oh, hello. The pooches have come to say g'day. They like a bit of limelight. If you're ever looking at buying a bush block, just remember, you spend a lot of time keeping grass down, especially if you're in a tropical or subtropical like we are. As soon as the rains come, the grasses grow. The plus side is now we've been consistently trying to keep it down. We are actually getting decent grass where we want it. And that is awesome. Play. Happy dogs. The dam. What was the dam? As you can see, this dam was washed away many wet seasons ago. We got some work with this one. Let me take you up here. The bonus is there is a bit of bedish rock, but you can see it's not a bad dam till you get to here. Then it's not much of a dam at all. Even with all the rain we've had, it's dried out. I'm hoping to get to it this year. No guarantees, because I need some decent machinery. I've got some clearing to do. But, we will get there, and when it comes time to do it, I'll share it with you. So there you have it. That's just a run through of some of the projects and videos we will have for you in the coming months. I can't say it enough. You hear it all the time. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It'll help our channel grow, and it'll help us reach those who haven't seen it yet and may very well be interested in it. We're just a humble family that has scraped by to get where we are now. And it's been an awesome journey, and we're so thankful to be here and so thankful to be able to share it with you. Till next time, I'm Mr. Wild. See you later. Have a great day, everyone. Down here it's like crap. The Amazonian grass and our pizza resistance. What? No, our pizza de resistance. Somewhere where we can escape the bugs. Oh yes, let's do a poop. Smile for the camera, Tash. Hey, look at you. Oh, there we go. It's teamwork today. Now I'm going to have to do that again. Yeah.